Hello students, let's start our lesson number 18, Environment and Us. Can you tell? With the help of the questions below, explain what would happen if forests are cleared on a large scale. Now, the first one number first is that will water and food sources for living things grow or dwindle? Why? Here dwindle means क्या वो बड़े होंगे या फिर फैलेंगे. दैट मीन्स खाने के सोर्सेस और पानी जो है इनके सोर्सेस क्या बढ़ेंगे या कम होंगे. सॉरी, dwindle मीन्स टू रिड्यूस. और वाई? नो, they are dwindle. Second question, will the living things look for shelters elsewhere or stay on? Why? Yes, living things look for shelter as shelters give them protection. Will the space occupied by the plants and animal increase or decrease and why? क्या प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स का जो भी स्पेस है वो कम होगा या बढ़ेगा और क्यों? The space of plants and animals increases because their population increase. Fourth question is also related to that will the number of living things increase or decrease and why? Yes, the number of living things is increases because their population is increased. Now come to our next topic, deforestation. Now the question is, what is the deforestation? The population of the world is now close to 600 crore. This is 600 crore. Man is developing new technology to meet the need of all people and is using more and more land and water resources for this purpose. As the population increase, जैसे जैसे हमारी population बढ़ रही है उसी तरह से the need of all these people, so he use more and more natural resources just like land, water and air. Open spaces are required on a very large scale for agriculture. As he settle down, as he are living with a society, he need to be agriculture, housing, industry, and for building roads and railways. Forests are cut down to make place for them. Now look at in the picture on page number 89. A road. Marshy or low-lying areas are filled to reclaim the land. As the open spaces are reduced, they cutting down the forest for making roads. As the space is not sufficient for making these, they fill all the marshy or low-lying areas to reclaim the land. Now again look at in the picture, you have seen the picture is the railway. The environment provides shelter to different kinds of living things. There are many types of plants in forest. Birds build their nest in trees. Animals like the bear, deer, monkey, elephant, tiger all live in the forest. That is, they find shelter in a forest. All their needs are met in the forest. If forests are reduced, biodiversity is also depleted. The new word is biodiversity. What does mean biodiversity? Vividhata. That means all the plants, all the animals, all the birds are living in one forest. That is, if the forests are reduced, these all are depleted. Depleted, they are reduced, kam hona. Now use your brain power. The question is that if a dam is built in a particular place, what changes will be seen in the environment? If we are build a dam in such places. Then the habitat at where the dam is built will destroy. Simply. Now here can you tell is omitted from your syllabus. Now come to on the page number 90. Now we are discuss about the pollution. Now what is pollution? That is, pollution means the contamination of air, water and soil. It is called as a pollution with different types of natural and chemical pollutant. Pollutants means जिसके कारण pollution होता है. That is called as a pollutant. You have seen, look at in the pictures here on the page number 90. There are different pictures. When we observe the first picture, you had waste flowing out from a factory.